Welcome back to Home Food Best Food. I'm Bhavna Jagannatha and you're watching how to make instant lime pickle. Here comes a lip-smacking instant lime pickle recipe. This is perfect for both rice and parathas. Let's begin the recipe. Let's pick the lime that are slightly yellow in color. Here we're going to take only 5 medium-sized lime to make this pickle. Next we're going to take a saucepan and add 4 cups of water in it. And next we're going to drop our lime into the boiling hot water. Cover the lid and boil the lime for 10 minutes in low flame. The limes should be soft when you remove them. 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and little hing. Dry roast it on a low flame. Transfer it into a mixer jar and then blend it into fine powder. Here are our limes ready. Next we're going to wipe it with a clean cloth and dry them nicely. They should be completely dry. Next we're going to cut them into quarters. In a bowl add all our lime, ground masala powder, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Next we're going to make seasoning for our achar. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and little hing. Let the mustard seeds splatter and our seasoning is ready. Let it cool down and then add it into the achar. So in this recipe, the marination is quickened by boiling the lime and making it ready to enjoy immediately. Another win-win is it only gets better as it sits and ages. Now this lime pickle is ready to enjoy, but I would suggest you to keep this in fridge for 1 day, and after refrigerating for 1 day, we're going to squeeze juice from 1 lime. This will make it more juicy and also will act as a preservative. Allow the lime pickle to cool completely and keep it refrigerated in either glass or ceramic jars. Nimbu achar contains tons of nutrients, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. In fact, lime pickle in general are great source of probiotics, gut-friendly bacteria. They are known to aid digestion and constipation problems and help build immunity when consumed in moderation. I would suggest you to transfer some portion enough for a few days into a smaller container and using this to minimize contamination and spoiling. Also use a clean dry spoon to scoop out the lime pickle every time. Now this lime pickle stays good in refrigerator for 3 to 4 months, and without refrigeration it stays good for 15 days. I hope you liked watching this instant lime pickle recipe. Do leave your thoughts in comment section. Like and share this recipe and also subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to make more such recipes. Thank you.